Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change DSG shifter step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery before you begin. Gather basic tools, Torx bits, trim pry tools, and a torque wrench. Keep a clean tray for fasteners and label connectors as you remove them. Work calmly and methodically so reassembly is straightforward and you avoid extra trips to the parts store. Remove the center console trim slowly and deliberately to expose the shifter assembly. Use trim pry tools to release plastic clips without snapping them, then unscrew fasteners and lift panels. Label electrical connectors with tape and a marker so reconnection is foolproof. Keep all screws and clips in a small container or magnetic tray that you can reference during reassembly to prevent missing parts and squeaks later. Unbolt the DSG shifter assembly and carefully free shift cables and electrical plugs while noting their routing. Transfer any sensors, bushings, or mounting plates from the old unit to the new shifter as required. Fit the new assembly, reconnect cables and connectors, and snug bolts to the manufacturer-specified torque. Test the shifter movement by cycling through gears with the battery still disconnected. Then reconnect the battery and perform an electronic calibration or adaptation procedure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.